Okay, well, finally got some rain with all this humidity. I don't know what to say. Oh my god.
Lightning.
Oh my god, I've never seen Victoria rain like this. Okay, this is outside the front. Ah! I don't like that. I don't know, I hope it catches. Oh my god, look at it.
Oh yeah.
Wow, okay, we'll go over here. This, oh.
Yeah, we need it.
Look at that. Oh, it feels nice out though.
Uh-huh.
There's actually a breeze now. You can hear people yelling.
I'm watching a woman in the upstairs window over there.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm standing here in my underwear.
So am I.
That's crazy. Oh, you know what? Everyone's going to the window, like even the lady across the street. Probably maybe looking at the rain or me in my underwear with my camera. I'm waiting. Oh, jeez. Move. I don't. It's. Oh my god. I hate lightning.
We'll all be killed. Or worse.
Wow, listen to that. Ooh. That's wicked.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
That's what we needed because it was too hot and humid. That actually feels really good right now. Nice, eh? The cherry tree. Go back over here. It's actually kind of cold.